Hi everyone, this is Sumit from Tulip here today, and I'm here to walk you through our new simple logbook template application. The simple logbook template application is a ready-to-use downloadable app from the library, which allows you to see various different steps and methods that can be used to capture logbook data in order to log entries for any defective equipment and pieces, and how to actually use these steps to actually create a more tailor-made logbook for your specific facility and devices. So jumping into the application, what we see out here is that we have an initial step where we can scan an equipment QR code or select an equipment from a list of different equipment. And then we have various different examples of different types of methods and ways you can actually capture data. So here we have a basic or normal log example where you collect your equipment ID, your status, you get an option to put a new status and a description, as well as take a picture to log any defect in your equipment. And there's also an option to correct your log. So if you have made any error in your previous log, you can actually correct this log on the log correction step. And by hitting save, all this information is stored and saved into the table. We also have a normal log example with data and with an e-signature. So it essentially follows the same format with various different variables that you're required to fill in. And once you hit next, it takes you to an e-signature page where you're asked to sign for completing the log entries, as well as a signature code and capture a photo to actually log this data in. You also have the same for correction of log, so you can actually require someone to sign and actually correct the log with signatures. And lastly, we have various different log templates. So one is like entry with data, where you have a bunch of different data that are required to fill in and submit. Then you have an entry with graphic, where essentially there's a graphic and various different checkboxes and measurements that you're required to fill in. Then you also have work instructions with videos. You have work instructions with a video and a checklist. You have work instructions with graphics, work instructions with graphics and checklists. And lastly, a confirm entry page and a signature page to confirm all your entries. These are various different template steps that you can use and copy into your different applications to build out your applications in any way that you may desire. And these steps come pre-configured with all the triggers that are required to actually use them immediately. So feel free to reach out to us if you have any question, and thank you for following along.